welcome to our channel. If you're selling or trading in your phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly reset and prepare it for the next owner. Step 1. Backup all important data including photos, videos, contacts, and documents. Use cloud services like iCloud or Google Photos, or transfer files to a computer before resetting. Step 2. Sign out of all accounts including iCloud, Google, Samsung, and any other services. Failing to sign out can trigger activation locks that prevent the new owner from using the phone. Step 3. Remove your SIM card and any SD cards from the device. These contain your personal information and phone number that should not transfer to the next user. Step 4. Disable Find My iPhone on iOS devices by going to Settings, your name, Find My, and toggling it off. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm deactivation. Step 5. Disable Factory Reset Protection on Android by removing your Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, select your Google account, and tap Remove Account. Step 6. Perform a factory reset through your phone settings menu. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content, and Settings. On Android, find Reset options in Settings. Step 7. Set up the phone as new to verify the reset was successful. If it asks for your previous account credentials, their set didn't complete properly and you need to try again. Step 8. Clean the phone physically with appropriate cleaning products. Wipe down the screen, body, and ports, and include any original accessories, chargers, or boxes you still have. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.